We're on to question 9.2. It's a mouthful, so let's get started. In diagram, EBFS and P are points on the circle centered at O. GB is a tangent to the circle at B. FE is produced to meet the tangent at G. OT is drawn in such that T is the midpoint of EF. GO and BO are drawn. BS is drawn through T. PS is parallel to GF. 9.2.1 goes on to ask us to prove with reasons that OTBG is a cyclic quadrilateral. So the first thing that should go off as alarm bells in your head is theorem 4. Line subtend equal angles. And I'm just going to quickly draw quick and dirty over here what we're looking for. If this is kind of like an angle, that this angle is equal to this angle, therefore that would mean that this is a cyclic quadrilateral. OTG is equal to 90 degrees. So we're talking about this angle here. This is equal to 90 degrees. And the reason for this is the midpoint theorem. So line from center to midpoint of chord. The next thing we're going to see is, or we should know, is that OBG is also equal to 90 degrees. OBG, which is this angle here. Why is that? It's tan perpendicular radius. And that's something that we would have learned in axiom 7. Okay, so if that is the case, therefore OTG is equal to OBG, which is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore OTBG is a cyclic quadrilateral. And the reason is line subtends equal angles. In question 9.2.2, we have to prove, giving reasons, that GOB is equal to S. And in the previous one, we already plotted, you can see on the diagram, that certain angles are equal. So we know that GOT is equal to GTB. And the reason is that it's angles in the same segment. So now we just have to figure out how T is equal to S. So in other words, we want this angle over here. And we know that GF is parallel to PS, therefore it's corresponding. So let's put pen to paper and prove this. So angle S is equal to BTG. Reason being, corresponding angles, and we have GF parallel to PS. But we also know that BTG equals GOB. Reason being, angles in the same segment. Therefore, GOB is equal to angle S. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please drop your question in the questions below. We'll read and respond as soon as possible. If you need more help with math, please click the link below that goes to my channel and go view what we have available there.